Hi guys, you're watching The Knot. I'm Lauren Kay, and I'm here to show you how to do a really easy DIY craft. It's called a confetti launcher. And we're gonna make ours a little winter themed and fill it with snow, which is actually biodegradable coconut. This is a great option if your venue is anti-confetti because you can put it out and you don't have to pick it up. Let me show you how it works. So first you're gonna take a tube of this size and add a balloon. You can use these balloons in your wedding colors or go for something that's really neutral like the champagne balloon we have here. You're gonna cut off the top, so you've got two parts. You're going to attach this to what will be the bottom of your launcher. And we're gonna secure ours with washi tape, and that's gonna double as our decor. But you can paint these tubes, you can add a sticker monogram, you can do anything you want to personalize them. So I'm gonna add a little washi tape to seal my balloon to the bottom. And I'm going with a fun, on-trend metallic pattern, but you can use, like I said, your wedding colors, or anything you like. And I'm just gonna alternate here. And what I love about this is it's really easy to do, especially if you have to make a lot of them. And it's a great way to add a little personalization and celebration after you say I do. So you could use this and ask your guests to shoot confetti as you come up an aisle if you're having an outdoor ceremony. Or like I said, if it's winter and a little chilly and you're inside, this could be your farewell exit. You're gonna love how the coconut looks like snow. Add a few more layers here. So now we have a confetti tube. The next step is to fill it with coconut. Like I said, this is great because it's biodegradable, nice and lightweight. We're gonna add a little to our launcher. You actually don't have to fill it that much because it launches. So now you have your completed launcher, and I'm going to show you the best part, how it works. Thanks so much for watching. Join the conversation in the comments, like, subscribe, and check back weekly for more videos from The Knot.